Hey everybody, it's Structural Steve here again, and in this video I'm going to show you how to search for emails in Microsoft Outlook using filters to help you find those emails a lot quicker than you ever have before. But before we get into that, please take a few seconds to show your support for the channel by hitting that subscribe button at the end of any of my videos, underneath the video, or even on my channel page. Also, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and share it. It really helps the channel out. So to start off with, you're going to go into Microsoft Outlook just like I am here. You can go to the Home tab, and then you're going to have your email list down here. And you're just going to click in this search box up here, and this is how you would probably normally search for emails. And when you do it this way, anything you type in here is going to be searched for in all the different categories that Microsoft Outlook offers. So if I type in the word book, it's going to search for the word book in the email address field, in the subject field, in the body, and in all the other fields as well. So there's not really any way that Outlook knows what it is specifically you're looking for in terms of book. What does book represent? Is that part of the email address? Is it the subject? So there's different ways we can do this. The way I like to do it the best is actually to just add filters in here in the search criteria box. And to do that, you're just going to click in this search box to start off with. Click the More button. And then these are all the different filters that you can add to search for your emails here. So the ones that I like to do the most are going to be from, to, and CC, because a lot of times we know that we CC people on certain things. And the reason you want to do CC is because you might have thought you sent something to somebody directly with the to here, but really you CC'd them, so you're going to add this field as well. And I'll also do the subject line, the body of the email, and I also like to do attachments. So this is if the email contains attachments or not. There's lots of other categories here you can go by, but these are probably the main ones that you're going to want to use. So now if I want to look for an email that was specifically from somebody, I can let Outlook know that I'm expecting whatever I put in here to be part of the email address. So if I want to look for something from Bluebeam, and I know that it had an attachment, then now I see all the emails from Bluebeam with attachments. Everything else is filtered out. And if I remembered that in the body of the email I had the word markup or something like that, this just pared those emails down pretty well. I only have a handful of emails now left that are left in this filter search here. So maybe I also remember that I was talking about security, so I would have had that in the subject line. And just like that, I found the exact email I was looking for, pretty quickly. Whereas opposed to if I just did a search for, Bluebeam in general, without using any of these filters. So let's clear these all out real quick here. If I just did a search for Bluebeam, it's going to come up with hundreds and hundreds of emails here. But the fact that I use those filters up here with specific fields that I remember from the email, then I was able to find that email in a matter of seconds. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please help the channel out by hitting that subscribe button you see on your screen right now, and give the video a like and share it with others. If you have any questions, feel free to post them in the comment section and I'll do my best to respond to them. And I'll see you guys in the next video.